Imagine creating cinematic AI videos without paying for expensive software. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. I tested 3 free AI video generators that creators are talking about right now, and each one has something different to offer. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short films, ads, or social media content, one of these tools could become your new favorite. Let's begin with the first one. The first AI video generator on our list is Flow AI. To get started, simply search for Flow AI in your browser. Click New Project. Now, let's create our first video. Click Video to open the video generation settings. Since we're generating a video entirely from a text prompt, change the creation mode to Ingredients to Video. Next, choose the video model you want to use. Then select your preferred aspect ratio. Set the number of videos to 1. Then choose the duration you want the AI to generate. Once everything is set up, paste your prompt into the prompt box. Finally, click Generate and let Flow AI do the work. In just a few moments, your video will be ready. Here's the result generated from the exact prompt we use. For a free AI video generator, the quality is genuinely impressive. The camera movement feels smooth, the lighting is well rendered, and the AI does a good job of following the prompt. Text-to-video is just one of the features Flow AI offers. Let's see how well it handles image generation and image animation. To create an image, head back to the dashboard and click inside the prompt box. I'll paste in my image prompt, then switch the generation mode from video to image. For the image model, I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. I'll leave the number of images set to 1, choose my preferred aspect ratio, and then click Generate. Our image is ready. The quality looks great, but let's take it one step further by bringing it to life. Click the plus icon inside the prompt box and select the image we just created. Next, paste in your animation prompt, switch the generation mode back to video, and click Generate. Here's the animated result. Flow AI does a really good job of preserving the original image while adding smooth, natural motion. The animation feels cinematic, and the final output is clean enough to use for YouTube videos, short films, or social media content. Overall, Flow AI is a solid option if you're looking for a free AI video generator. It's easy to use, produces high-quality results, and gives you access to both text-to-video and image-to-video generation in one platform. Now that we've explored what Flow AI has to offer, let's move on to the second AI video generator. The second AI video generator on our list is Google Vids. Sign in with your Google account, then click Get Started to open the workspace. Before we begin, make sure you've selected Veo 3.1 as your video model. Under AI video clips, you'll see 2 options: Create from Scratch and Animate an Image. We'll start with Create from Scratch. Paste your prompt into the prompt box, choose your preferred aspect ratio, then click Generate. And here's the result.
We did it, we actually did it. Yes, top corner, unbelievable. Come on.
The overall quality is impressive, with smooth motion and good prompt accuracy. On the free plan, each generated clip can be up to 8 seconds long. One thing I really like about Google Vids is that it doesn't stop after generating a clip. Instead of downloading every video and editing it somewhere else, you can insert the generated clip directly into the built-in timeline. That means you can generate multiple scenes, arrange them in order, extend your project, and build an entire video without leaving the platform. It's a workflow that feels much closer to using a traditional video editor. Google Vids also lets you animate existing images, so let's see how that works. Switch to the Animate an Image option. Upload your image, paste your animation prompt, then click Generate. The animation looks clean, the motion is smooth, and the AI does a great job of bringing a still image to life while preserving its original details. Overall, Google Vids is easy to use and delivers high-quality results. Whether you're creating videos from text or animating images, it offers a smooth experience from start to finish, making it a solid option for AI video creation. The third AI video generator on our list is SnapGen AI. When you open the website, you'll notice there's an option to upgrade to a paid plan. In fact, the pricing is displayed quite prominently, so at first I thought I wouldn't be able to use the platform without subscribing. After signing in, you'll also receive 10 free credits. However, during my testing, I was still able to generate videos without using those credits or running into any limitations, which was a pleasant surprise. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see several tools available, including chat with AI, video generation, and image generation. To create a video, head to the left-hand panel and choose your preferred video generation provider. You'll find options like Google Veo 3, Grok, ByteDance, and Kling. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Veo 3. Under the Veo 3 options, select the model you want to use. I'll be choosing Veo 3 Fast. Next, paste your prompt into the prompt box. Then scroll down to choose your aspect ratio. Select your preferred video resolution. As you can see, this generation costs 0 credits. Once everything is set, click Generate Video. The video will begin processing, and you can monitor its progress from the History tab. After a few moments, your video will be ready. Here's the generated result. Overall, the video quality is good, and the animation comes out nicely. It's not perfect, though there are a few minor flaws in this generation. In most cases, refining your prompt and generating another version can help produce even better results. I also wanted to test whether image-to-video generation was available on the free plan. Unfortunately, when I tried using a reference image, the platform required a premium subscription before I could continue. So, if you're looking for a free AI tool that supports image-to-video generation, Flow AI and Google Vids are the better options. With SnapGen AI, that feature is currently locked behind the paid plan. Now, you've seen what all 3 AI video generators have to offer. Hopefully, this makes it a little easier to decide which one best fits your workflow and the kind of videos you want to create. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.